Hey, by Smart Fam! Welcome back to another episode where we put products head-to-head so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into a battle of the Samsung Galaxies. On the left, we have the budget-friendly warrior, the Samsung Galaxy A03s. And on the right, the more premium contender, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's start with the most important category for many of us, the price. The A03s comes in at a wallet-friendly $87. That's right, folks, less than a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the A15 5G is priced at $158. That's almost double the price. So if your wallet is thinner than a runway model, the A03s has you covered. Next up, displays. The A03s features a 6.5-inch HD plus PLS TFT LCD screen. It's like the fast food of displays. Cheap, and gets the job done. On the flip side, the A15 5G boasts a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1080 by 2340 FHD plus resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a Tesla. Reviewers love the A15 5Gs. Vibrant screen and smoother performance. Now let's talk performance. The A03s is rocking a MediaTek Helio P35 processor, 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of storage. It's like bringing a butter knife to a sword fight. The A15 5G, on the other hand, is armed with a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, 6 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. It's basically the Chuck Norris of budget phones. Unstoppable. Reviewers appreciate the A03s for its reliability, but rave about the A15 5G's superior speed and multitasking capabilities. Camera time. The A03s has a triple rear camera setup with a 13 megapixels main shooter and two 2 megapixels supporting cameras. The front camera is 5 megapixels. It's like trying to take a selfie with a potato. The A15 5G, however, has a 50 megapixels main camera, a 5 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. The front camera is 13 megapixels. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. Reviewers find the A03's camera decent for the price, but the A15 5G's camera quality is highly praised for its clarity and versatility. Both phones have a 5,000 mAh battery, which is like having the stamina of a marathon runner. But here's the kicker. The A15 5G charges faster and more efficiently. It's like having a sports car that not only goes fast, but also refuels quicker. Reviewers find the battery life of both phones impressive, but prefer the faster charging capability of the A15 5G. Connectivity. The A03s supports up to 4G LTE, which is like using a horse and carriage in the age of Teslas. The A15 5G, however, supports 5G, making it future-proof. It's like jumping into a time machine and landing in a world where buffering is a thing of the past. Plus, the A15 5G has dual SIM support. So if you're living that double life, it's got you covered. According to reviews, the A15 5G's connectivity is seamless across various carriers, while the A03's is limited but reliable. Overall, reviewers find the Samsung Galaxy A03s to be a solid budget phone with a reliable performance, good battery life, and decent camera quality, although some have faced issues with carrier compatibility. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is praised for its excellent display, superior performance, and outstanding camera quality, making it a great value for its price despite some issues with included accessories. So there you have it, folks. The Samsung Galaxy A03s is a great budget option if you're looking to save some bucks. But if you're ready to splurge a bit for better performance, display, and camera quality, the Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is the clear winner. Let us know in the comments which one you'll be picking up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. Product links are in the description.